So, ito siya guys, yung orange. Medyo may kabigatan siya. May kabigatan siya guys, but it's still handy.
Heat-forged aluminum DIBODY design. A 19 Pro, vapor-cooled for lightning-fast performance. All 4 8MP Fusion rear cameras up to 8x optical quality zoom, the longest zoom ever on an iPhone. iOS 26. New look, even more magic. Up to 37 hours video playback. And up to 14 more hours video playback. Record video in 0.4K 120 FPS. Dolby Vision. Up TP. 50% charge in 20 minutes. Up to 2x faster. GPU performance.
For the iPhone 17 Pro Max, ito yung presyo. Ito yung pinakamahal sa iPhone na iPhone 17 Pro Max. Pinakamahal, 146,990. That's 2 terabytes. There's 1 terabyte. So yung mga kulay, depende sa internal storage. Ito yung mga presyo kapag i-cash ninyo or straight ninyo. Ito siya guys, yung orange. Medyo may kabigatan siya. May kabigatan siya guys, but it's still handy. Tignan natin yung camera. Worth the buy ba siya? Sa presyo niya. Wow! Ang ganda. Now, let's try the main app. So, this is the front camera. Wow! It's very nice. Ito naman yung video quality. Ayan. The video quality. Puro naman magaganda lahat ng mga quality ng iPhone 17 series. So this is the quality of the video. Ayan siya. Ganda guys. Ang ganda. Wala akong masabi. Ang ganda niya. So that's iPhone 17 Pro Max. And this is the price again. So everyone, hope this video helps you to decide of what iPhone 17 series you will buy. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching.